Did you know that one simple spoonful before bed could make a world of difference for your aging muscles? As we age, especially after 70, our muscles lose mass and strength in a process known as sarcopenia. But what if you could rebuild some of that lost strength while you sleep? This isn't about lifting heavy weights or taking risky supplements. It's about a small, smart nutritional choice that supports your body's overnight repair process. In today's video, we'll reveal what that one spoon should contain, how it works inside your body as you rest, and why seniors over 70 are turning to this simple habit to stay strong, independent, and full of energy. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly important, not just for strength and mobility, but also for preserving our overall health. After the age of 70, natural muscle loss accelerates, a condition known as sarcopenia. This decline not only makes everyday activities more difficult but also increases the risk of falls, fractures, and reduced independence. You might notice tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even rising from a chair feel harder than they used to. That's not just aging, it's muscle loss quietly progressing in the background. The body needs more support to preserve lean muscle, and it starts with giving it the right fuel before bed. Recent studies show that nighttime is one of the most critical periods for muscle repair. During deep sleep, your body activates recovery processes, releasing growth hormone and synthesizing proteins that help rebuild muscles worn down during the day. For seniors, this window is precious. If your body lacks the proper nutrients before sleep, it misses out on a major opportunity to recover. That's why a simple spoonful of the right nutrient-packed food can make a world of difference. When we sleep, our body doesn't just shut down, it becomes a highly active repair center. For seniors over 70, this nightly process is essential to rebuilding what age slowly takes away: muscle mass and physical resilience. While we often think of sleep as just rest, it's actually the body's prime time for restoring muscle tissue. During deep sleep, the brain signals the release of growth hormones. These hormones play a key role in synthesizing proteins, which are the building blocks of muscle. Sleep also reduces the level of cortisol, a stress hormone that can break down muscle tissue if it stays elevated. When cortisol levels are lowered during sleep, the environment becomes optimal for healing and growth. In contrast, poor sleep can significantly impair the body's ability to recover, especially for older adults. Even 1 or 2 nights of inadequate sleep can slow muscle protein synthesis, the very process needed to maintain or build muscle. The circadian rhythm, your internal biological clock, also plays a role. Certain genes responsible for repairing cells are activated at night. Your body is programmed to repair during these dark hours. Ignoring sleep disrupts this cycle and delays crucial rebuilding processes. Moreover, when you sleep well, your physical performance improves. Seniors who consistently get quality sleep have better balance, faster walking speed, and more endurance. They are also less likely to suffer from falls or muscle-related injuries. This isn't just about getting more hours in bed, it's about getting the right kind of sleep, deep and restorative. Nutrition also enhances this repair process. If you fuel your body with the right nutrients, especially before bed, you amplify the benefits of sleep. That's where that one spoon before bed comes in, which we'll talk about next. But first, understand this: no supplement or workout can replace the magic that happens when your body is truly at rest. In essence, sleep is not just a passive state. It's an active, biological priority that becomes more important with age. If you're over 70 and want to stay strong, mobile, and independent, sleep must be respected as a key part of your muscle recovery plan. As the body drifts into deep sleep, a quiet miracle begins. Deep within our cells, an orchestra of biological processes initiates the nightly restoration process. One of the most crucial is the release of human growth hormone, HGH, which peaks during the early stages of sleep. This hormone is responsible for tissue repair, muscle rebuilding, and cellular regeneration. During non-REM sleep, particularly stages 3 and 4, the body shifts from energy consumption to energy conservation and repair. Proteins are synthesized, cells regenerate, and the immune system strengthens, all without conscious effort. This is especially important for seniors over 70, whose bodies are slower to heal and rebuild. Scientific studies have shown that fragmented or insufficient sleep reduces HGH secretion, compromising the body's ability to repair muscle fibers. Furthermore, sleep deprivation increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which can break down muscle tissue over time. It's a delicate balance. The better your sleep, the more effective your muscle recovery. Sleep also influences the release of melatonin, which not only regulates the sleep-wake cycle but also acts as a powerful antioxidant. This hormone protects muscle cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to muscle aging and degeneration. Together with HGH, melatonin forms a powerful duo in nighttime muscle preservation. This repair process is not only passive, it's highly dependent on how we prepare our bodies before bed. Factors like stress levels, diet, and bedtime habits influence the quality of deep sleep. A calm mind and a body fueled with the right nutrients set the stage for optimal muscle recovery. Imagine your sleep as a nightly spa for your muscles, but the benefits only show if you give your body what it needs to work with. The quality of what you eat and your bedtime routine can either enhance or block this natural repair process. In conclusion, the science is clear: deep, restorative sleep is more than just rest. It's a nightly opportunity to heal, repair, and grow stronger. Understanding this process helps seniors take proactive steps toward better health and vitality, one night at a time. Choosing the right food before bed can feel like a mystery. But for seniors over 70 who are striving to preserve their muscle strength, one simple spoonful before sleep could be transformative. Let's uncover the science behind what makes a nighttime spoonful so magical. The key lies in slow-digesting proteins and nutrients that work quietly while you sleep. Casein, a protein found in dairy products like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, is digested slowly over several hours. This provides a steady stream of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, throughout the night. A single spoonful of cottage cheese or Greek yogurt before bed can feed your muscles while you're resting. Another great option is a spoonful of nut butter. Almond or peanut butter offers healthy fats and a moderate amount of protein. It also helps maintain blood sugar stability overnight, preventing spikes and crashes that can disturb sleep. Just one spoonful is enough. Too much fat may cause digestive discomfort. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer non-dairy options, a spoonful of chia seed pudding made with almond milk can be just as effective. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant-based protein. They swell up and digest slowly, releasing nutrients throughout the night. Bananas with a small spoon of peanut butter are another effective combo. The banana provides potassium and magnesium, both essential for muscle relaxation and sleep quality, while the peanut butter offers healthy fat and protein. This pairing is especially helpful for those who tend to wake up due to leg cramps. Whatever spoonful you choose, the key is consistency. Eating the same small, nutrient-rich snack each night trains your body to expect fuel for repair. Over time, this habit can lead to better muscle preservation, deeper sleep, and more energy during the day. So the next time you're winding down for the night, reach for your magic spoon. It might just be the easiest and most delicious step toward stronger muscles and better sleep. When it comes to muscle recovery, not all proteins are created equal. For seniors over 70, choosing the right type of protein before bedtime can be the difference between waking up weaker or stronger. The goal isn't to eat a heavy meal, but to choose a high-quality protein that digests slowly and fuels muscle repair while you sleep. One standout option is casein protein, found in dairy products like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and milk. Casein digests slowly over several hours, making it ideal for overnight nourishment. Research shows that consuming 30 to 40 grams of casein before bed increases muscle protein synthesis during sleep. It helps maintain lean muscle mass, which is vital for balance, mobility, and strength in older adults. If dairy isn't suitable for you, alternatives like plant-based protein shakes made from peas or brown rice can also work, especially when paired with healthy fats like almond butter or avocado. These combinations slow digestion, providing a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night. It's not just about what kind of protein, but also when and how much. Consuming a spoonful of protein-rich food 30 to 60 minutes before sleep is optimal. Going to bed on an empty stomach can cause your body to break down muscle tissue for energy, which is the opposite of what we want. Some seniors find it helpful to keep a small routine, a warm glass of milk with a scoop of protein powder, or a few spoonfuls of Greek yogurt with honey. This helps create consistency, which is key to long-term results. Also, avoid combining your bedtime protein with too many sugars or heavy starches. These can cause blood sugar spikes, interrupting sleep quality. Keep it simple and functional. In summary, the right nighttime protein acts as a silent partner in your body's repair work. It feeds your muscles while you rest, allowing you to wake up feeling stronger and more energized. Just one spoon, carefully chosen, can make all the difference. For many seniors, adopting a new habit can feel like climbing a mountain. But when it comes to long-term muscle health and better sleep, the journey begins with something as small as a spoon. The idea of having a spoonful of muscle-supporting nutrition before bed might seem simple, even insignificant. But science and experience both show that this small act, when repeated, becomes a powerful nightly ritual that yields big results over time. Habits are built through consistency. According to behavioral psychology, it takes an average of 21 to 66 days to form a new habit, depending on the complexity and personal motivation. Starting with one spoon, whether it's a spoonful of Greek yogurt, a natural protein shake, or a mix of cottage cheese and chia seeds, can lay the foundation for lasting change. The key lies in tying the habit to an existing bedtime routine. For example, right after brushing your teeth or just before turning off the lights, reaching for that spoon becomes a signal. Over time, the brain associates this action with rest and recovery, making it easier to stick with the behavior. It's no longer something you have to remember, it becomes something you automatically do. Another benefit of making the spoonful a habit is accountability. Once a routine is established, missing it feels unusual, just like forgetting to brush your teeth. You can even track your habit on a calendar or use a habit app, creating a sense of accomplishment with each day you stay consistent. Seniors who maintain this habit often report improvements in muscle tone, fewer nighttime cravings, and better sleep quality within a few weeks. It's a domino effect. One small win builds momentum for larger health improvements. This creates a cycle of positive reinforcement that's hard to break. The beauty of this strategy is its simplicity. No complex plans, no difficult exercises, just a spoon, a routine, and a reason to stick with it. When a habit feels easy and meaningful, it becomes sustainable. So next time you head to bed, don't underestimate that one spoon. It's not just food, it's the foundation of strength, healing, and restful sleep. You followed all the advice. You've picked the right protein, mastered your bedtime spoonful, and adjusted your sleep habits. But what if your progress still feels stagnant? The truth is, even small mistakes can undo the benefits you've worked so hard to build. Let's look at the most common ones that seniors unknowingly make and how to avoid them. First mistake, eating too much too late. While a spoonful before bed can be powerful, overeating close to bedtime forces the digestive system to stay active while your body tries to rest. This leads to poor quality sleep, bloating, and inefficient muscle repair. Second mistake, choosing the wrong kind of protein. Not all proteins work the same. For example, whey protein digests quickly, great for after workouts, but not ideal before bed. Casein, on the other hand, digests slowly and fuels the body throughout the night. Third mistake, inconsistent bedtime routines. Skipping your nighttime spoonful or changing sleep times too frequently confuses your body's natural rhythms. Muscles rely on consistency to rebuild effectively. Fourth mistake, ignoring hydration. A dehydrated body doesn't recover well. Drinking a small amount of water earlier in the evening, not right before bed, helps support digestion and cellular repair overnight. Fifth mistake, too much caffeine or alcohol. Even if consumed hours earlier, caffeine and alcohol disrupt deep sleep. Without quality sleep, the magic of your spoonful is weakened significantly. In short, your spoonful strategy works best when combined with mindful routines. Avoiding these mistakes helps you unlock the full power of sleep-driven muscle repair. Think of your spoon as a key, but it only opens the door when used correctly. As we conclude this journey, remember this: one spoon before bed isn't just a habit, it's a strategy. A simple act rooted in science, helping your body recover, rebuild, and regain its strength. For seniors over 70, sleep is more than rest, it's the most powerful time for healing. And what you eat before bed can make a real difference. The right spoonful, packed with slow-digesting protein and essential nutrients, supports your muscles as you sleep. It works quietly, night after night, building you back up from the inside out. So start tonight. Choose your spoon wisely. Let sleep become your time to rebuild, not decline. Thank you for joining us. Stay strong, rest well, and never underestimate the power of one small spoon.